So when it comes to the low fade, mid fade, high fade, right? What I will deem a high fade or a mid fade or low fade, the next barber may not. But I can give you reference points, right? That you can then have an idea of where a low fade would be, a mid fade would be, and a high fade would be. In that, when I say low, mid, and high, that's where you place your baseline at. Your baseline is going to be the trimmer. So if it's a low fade, you're going to place your baseline halfway in between the C cup. The C cup, right? So halfway in between the C cup is probably like right above the ear, right? And then you're either going to go straight or you're going to drop it. Now a mid fade is going to be at the where the C cup and the sidebar meet. Right there. Yep. That's where you put your base and you go and you'll make it meet on this side to make it even, right? And then a high fade will be halfway in between the sidebar. You see what I'm saying? And what that does is that allows you to have a base.